Hey guys, today we are going to be making mango float using coconut cream. You're going to need coconut cream, make sure it's unsweetened, mangoes, graham crackers, I got the gluten-free version, and condensed milk. If you want to make the vegan version, you can use agave syrup, sugar, or any other type of sweetener you prefer. Since the graham crackers I got are gluten-free, they are very brittle. When I got them out of the package, they were already cracked, so I ended up throwing them into a plastic bag and crushed them with a rolling pin. But if you want to layer it with regular graham crackers, that's totally fine. Next, we're cutting these beautiful mangoes. Wash the mangoes before cutting because you want them to be clean. Make sure the stem is on top. Then cut vertically 1/4 inch away from the midline. Make the same cut on the other side. Cut the flesh in a grid-like pattern without going through the skin. Use a spoon to detach the flesh from the skin and scoop out the cubes. When I cut the first one, I didn't cut them small enough, so I ended up cutting them into smaller pieces. We're going to make the coconut cream filling. Pour 1 can of unsweetened coconut cream and make sure it is cold. And then add your sweetener. I recommend putting a 1/4 cup of sweetener, but you can add a little more if you want it to be sweeter. Here I'm using my KitchenAid, but you can use your hand mixer as well. Put it on high speed and whip it for about a minute. Once you have this kind of thick consistency, you can start layering the prepared ingredients. Add your coconut filling on the bottom. And then sprinkle your graham crackers. You want it to be packed. Then add a generous amount of mango cubes. Repeat the previous steps until you fill the top with coconut cream. Layer the top with leftover mango cubes, and then you're done. You can chill it in the fridge for a couple hours, or you can eat it right away. It's super easy, no baking required, perfect summer dessert.